Since inventing the first door check over a century ago, LCN has remained an industry leader. With deep roots in the Princeton, Illinois community, home to our plant since 1949, we continue to invest to ensure life safety, quality, and customer satisfaction.
In the last few years here in Princeton, we've invested in the facility with three main goals in mind: ensuring the safety of our employees, ensuring the quality of our products, and providing the reliability in our process to meet the demands of the customer.
We're continually investing and continually adding to our tolerances and making sure that we're holding that reliability. We need to hold those tight tolerances. If we don't, you lose the control on that door.
We've also realized the need to invest in our people, and we've done that through apprenticeship programs.
We've invested in these programs in order to develop people. The people put the quality into the product.
We've built a strong sense of community and even have multiple generations of family members working side by side.
What I like most about working here is spending time with my uncle or my dad, and knowing that my grandpa used to work here too.
It is a great place to work. I've been in LCN for over 50 years, and it's fed my family.
It is like an extended family, because the rest of the people we work with are basically family. I've been at weddings, I've seen grandchildren.
LCN was founded on the belief that our processes, people, and products are what sets us apart.
It's sourcing the right suppliers, our machining capabilities in-house, the knowledge and experience within our assembly area and building our closers, and then our fill test and regulate technologies.
You can feel confident knowing that every step in our process plays a role to ensure you receive a reliable product and predictable performance. And as an Allegion brand, we have people in place committed to supporting you from purchase to install through the life of the product.